Today we're diving into how to get your API key from DeepL. Whether you're a developer or just curious, I've got you covered. If you don't have an account yet, head over to DeepL.com. You'll be redirected to their main page. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. After signing up, you'll need to go to the Developers section. There's a free version available, but keep in mind, even with this free version, you'll have to enter your credit card details. This is DeepL's way of ensuring their AI isn't used for any sketchy activities. Once you're signed up and logged in, go to My Account. Here you'll see an option to view your API key. Scroll down and you'll find your API key ready to use. You can now plug this key into your integrations, or wherever you need it. Make sure to always keep your API key secure and don't share it publicly. If someone else gets access to your key, they could misuse it. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.